Okay, good morning to you all. Next one, lists, bullets and numbers. Bullets and numbers. It's actually another considered as a paragraph formatting option, right? Just you can type some list with bullets or numbers, right? Bullets or numbers. It's actually under home tab. You can find it. Just some space here, right? And the phone, you can see in the paragraph, because this actually paragraph formatting. You can see bullets, numbering, and multi-level list. Right? Just you can select here using this command, right? Just you can click it, and you can see one bullet item added, right? Then you can start typing. That is list items, right? This list. So then first item. I just type list one, that is item name. So then what you need to do, press enter key. Right? System automatically added the second bullet item. Right? List two. Then again press enter key. Third item like that. This is similar for numbering also. I will add numbering here. Similarly, just type the item, then press enter key. System automatically added second number, right? Then enter key, automatically third number, right? That is how you insert lists, either bullets or numbers, right? And you can see another command there, multi-level. What is it? Create a multi-level list to organize items or create an outline, right? For example, if you have a list with bullets, right, and items, right? This is list one. When I press enter key, and if you want to add sub list that we call multi-level. So here only one level, right? If you add list one under that, list one and two, like that, right? That is going to be multi-level, right? How you do it? Just type your first item, main item, then press enter key, right? So then you can press tab key in the keyboard, right? So then system insert or added multi-level item, that is under list one, right? Just you can type whatever you want. So then type enter key, then that is sub-level item added, right? Sub-level again. Right? So then if you have finished that, the level one, right? List one, then sub-levels. Then if you want to go back to main list, right? Main list, just press enter key, then press shift key and tab key. Then you can come back, right? I'm explaining you just how you do it using the keyboard, right? This is the easiest way to type this kind of list, right? Sub points. All this, right? Only thing is that just type insert bullets or numbers, right? I will explain it again using numbers, right? This is the level 1. I just type like this, right? Whatever your list, right? Maybe I will put some names, right? And go press enter key, then maybe banana, right? So then I want to add sub list under banana, right? Then press enter key, then press tab key, tab key. Right? Red banana, and I will put another one, bamboo, like that, right? So then press enter key. I just want only 2 sub items. So then I want to go back to the main list, right? So then what you need to do, just press enter key, then press shift key and tab key, shift key and tab key, right? Like that, right? So I think now you can understand how you insert main list and sub list. Similarly for bullets, just you can type some word, then tab key for sub list, then shift plus tab key for main list. Page numbering. Actually here, not only page numbering, this is the title page numbering, but here we are going to discuss very important section, that is important part, that is sections, right? Sections. Because when you create your documents, you can insert page numbers. That is the basic thing, right? Page numbers. But when you insert page numbers, sometimes when you create, especially for reports or your thesis, you may have to insert different page numbers, right? Different page numbers. At that point, the sections are very important. And also headers and footers, right? You know that you can insert header and footer in your document, right? That is normally we call header, that is your top margin, because we are going to insert a header within the margin, top margin, and also footer in bottom margin, right? Even you can insert page numbers, either top margin or bottom margin, right? However, when you add these numbering or headers and footers, right? If you have a single document without any sections, right? Then you can add numbering and headers and footers that is common to the complete document. For example, I will show you one, this document, right? I will show you that section part later, right? Just I want to add page number, just go insert, under insert tab, you can see header and footer area, right? Just click page number, right? So then there are options, top of page, bottom of page, margins, like that, right? Several options, right? Normally we add top or bottom, right? Once you selected top page, then system show you, display some other options, right? Top margin and also the position. This is the left, the center, and right, right? So there are some styles, right? You can see here, this is style, not just a number. You can see number with page label. It added a label, right? Similarly, left, right, like that, right? Then this is another style. bold page number and total number of pages. That is another style. However, right, you can add. Just I simply add this one, right? You can see page number added to the document, and you can see now the top margin highlighted, right? You can see your text, the body of the text deactivated, right? You can't type here now, right? You can see this is deactivated. Now this area, this is top margin, that is header area, activated, right? You can see this is activated, and you can see another new tab activated. As you can see, header and footer tools and design. Under that, you can see there are several options. And also there's a command called close header and footer. That means header and footer tab and ribbon activated. Right? You can close this using this command or tool. Right? Now you can see the header area deactivated and your body text area activated. I think it is clear, right? Anytime you can do this, right? You can activate the header area or even the footer area. Simply double click the top margin. Simply double click. Then you can see header area activated and body text area deactivated, right? Close. Or you can double click here also. You can shift to header area and body text area. Once you activated header area, you can see footer area also activated. Footer area. You can see what I wanted to show you. Just add insert a page number, and I just add a footer area, that is the called footer, right? Maybe this is footer text, right? Then I double click within my text body area, and now you can see the page number 1 and footer text. This is footer text, right? So then I will add some pages, right? Second page. Now you can see number automatically changed to second, and also footer text is added, right? We have another page. You can see this page number 3. Page number 3 and footer text, right? This is common, right? This footer text and number system is common to this document. But if you want some different footer or headers and also different page numbering, so then you need to divide your document to sections. To sections, right? That is what I wanted to explain you, right? Simply you can insert page numbering. Simply you can insert headers and footers. But if you want some different headers and footers or different page numbering styles, you need to divide sections, right? I will show you how to do. Then I want to divide this 4 pages document to 2 sections, right? For example, page 1 and page 2 in one section, and page 3 and 4 another section, right? So then what you need to do, just put the cursor in the end of the last line in the second page, that is your section number 1, right? Because this is page number 2, right? This is page number 2. I will enlarge. page number 2, right? So then from this line, right? It's the last line of page number 2, right? Here. Then I want to divide sections. So then you need to put the cursor at the last point here. You can see here. So then you can go through layout, right? Layout, the tab layout. Under page setup, you can see the command called breaks, right? That means insert page and section breaks, right? So then simply click here and then go with section breaks, right? Under that section breaks, simply select next page, right? That means you can see insert a section break and start the new section on the next page, right? That's why I put the cursor at the last point, the second page. That means you are going to break a section between the second page and third page, right? Then I will click it, right? Now you can't see any difference, but the section is added because you can see the cursor was here before add section, but now cursor is here. You can see cursor here. Now you have two sections within this document. The first section you have page number 1 and page number 2. Second section you have page number 3 and 4. Right? Then we can see how you insert different page numbers and different headers and footers, right? Now this is possible, right? I will show you how to do it, right? I will create another document, right? From beginning, I will explain it again, right? I'll add some random text. Right, then I copy the text and paste again to increase the pages, right? Right, now I added 4 pages, right? Still, I didn't insert page numbering or header and footer, nothing, right? So then what I need to do first, I want to divide sections, right? So then I go to the second page, that is the point I want to break, right? Put the cursor here. Then I go layout, breaks, section breaks, next page, right? Now you can see cursor move to here, that is a third page. Now you have sections, right? So then I want to insert page numbers and header and footer. For that I come to first page, activate the header area, then you can insert page number, top of page and page, right, page number inserted, and also I will add header text, header section 1. Right, now it is clear, right? I typed header in section 1, page 1, right? Then I close here. Now you can see the second page, same. Header in section 1, page 2. Right? Third page, header in section 1, page 3. But I want to change here because this is second section, right? I want to change here the header and also page numbering, right? So then just activate the area, right? Now you can see it is activated, and I simply click on link to previous. That is unchecked, right? You can see this is not selected, unchecked. That is, you break the link, right? You break the link. Then I type here header in section 2, right? Then you can you change the header in section 2, then you close it, right? Now what happened, right? You can see the first page, header in section 1, page 1. Second page, header in section 1, page 2. Third page, you can see header in section 2, right? That means different header, right? Even you can change page number also, right? Just select page number, then you can go page numbering options, formats, then you can click start at 1. Right? And you can see header in section 2, page 1, right? That means I started page numbering again from section 2. Now you can see the difference, right? This is page number 1, header in section 1, page 1, right? This is page number 2, header in section 1, page 2, right? The third page, header in section 2, page 1, right? That means you change page numbering formats and also header. Even a footer you can change, right? This is very important when you have a document with different sections, right? Especially for your thesis, final year thesis, or any reports, right? In thesis, you have different sections, right? Maybe in the first few pages with some different page numbering, then you can start your main body like abstract or introduction like that. So then you have a background, literature review, research and discussion, methodology, references, right? You have different sections. So at that point, you can divide sections and format your headers and footers with different names, different headers and footers, right? That is the importance, right? I think it's clear, right? Only thing is that you need to understand the header area and this part linked to previous. That is only thing, right? Link to previous. This is automatically deactivated because this is header section 1. Right now you can see section 2. This is deactivated. If you click this, that means you are going to link. Right? You click this, that means you are going to link these two sections. Right? Once you click this and link two sections, then you can't have that different headers and different footers. Right? That is what you need to understand, right? All right, then I will close it.